Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Summer825 from zork825, and today we are going to take a look at a powerful tool we developed called Sincryption Panel. This tool helps us to protect our community by verifying users in our team and even performs Instagram OSINT operations. Let me tell you why we made this tool. We noticed that some scammers have been using our users' names to scam others, and we started receiving reports about it. So, to counter this, we developed Sincryption Panel, a Python based script that ensures only verified users are recognized as a part of our team. This way, we can quickly detect any suspicious activity. Let's dive into how you can get the script and set it yourself. Cloning the script. First, you will need to clone the repository from GitHub. You can do that by using this command. You can search Summit825 and go to this link, first link of GitHub. This is my repository. You can follow and like as well as. Go to the repositories. You can see the subscription panel. Click here. Now you can clone this repository. Yeah. So I will write this command git clone and paste that link. Good. Now, after simply paste this command in your terminal or command prompt and the script will be downloaded to your system. Next, navigate to the folder where the script is saved by typing. Once you are inside the directory, run the following command. If you are in Termux, you can directly run the Python 3 main.py. If you are using Linux, please run in root mode. So we will install this progress. Now we can run the script. Yeah, for the Sincryption users, type 1 and you can search the username. And like this is my username, you can check the details of that user, that the what the person is doing in the team and what the skills he have. You can see this is my details. Okay, so if somebody is not in team Sincryption, so it looks like this. Sincrypt underscore black. Oh, I don't know who is this, and he's using the Syncrypt name. So he is not in our team. So it is not verified user. So this can lead that this person is not in team Syncryption, and you will notify that this is the fake user. And second, there is the second facility, as I told you, Instagram OSINT. Write any username and search. It will give the all the OSINT of that username, bro. You can see this is my profile picture. He has fetched, giving all the details. It will be useful for you to use this part, use this panel. Yeah. If there is a media tagged users in that profile, it will fetch that also and it will save into syncryptdoc.txt. You can check it out if it is saved in that txt. Now you can return. So this tool is OSINT performing and to check the users are in team encryption or not. So this will help to recognize people who are scamming through the team. Yeah, thank you guys. Subscribe this channel and make sure you will use this tool for Instagram OSINT or to check the users. Thanks. Myself, Python 3 automation expert.